So let me show you how to create split screen app pairs on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Now, of course, you can use apps in split screen. So for instance, if you go to this app and then tap here and then select open in split screen view, it's going to open in split screen. And to open the other app in split screen, just do that. Now we have two apps open in split screen mode. Now, if you like to use these two apps in split screen mode often, then you can create an app pair for split screen or a split screen app pair so that you can always launch them together in split screen mode without going through the whole process. So tap on the three dots in the middle there, and then you want to tap on this star icon, and then you can choose to either add the app pair either to the home screen or to the edge panel. So choose what you want. So for me, I'm going to choose home screen. Now on the home screen, I'm always going to have this app pair. Now, anytime I want to open those apps in split screen, I just tap on that and it opens those apps in split screen mode immediately. Like that. Okay, so I just open it and they open in split screen mode, and now I can use the two apps in split screen mode. So that's how to use or how to create split screen app pairs on the Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.